Hello everyone, my name is Hana Sharma and today we are going to do Python programming. We are going to learn about the basic codes written in Python, used in Python. Okay, first we will learn how to give a heading. So this is the introduction part. Introduction Introduction to Python. Then we will select heading from here, press OK and then run. To give a subheading, okay, we will use first we will write a subheading like this is our first class of Python. Then select markdown and run. This is a subheading. Now so we are going to learn about the basic codes used in Python. So first we will learn about the print function. That's the inbuilt function in Python. So print, let's give this as a heading, run. Okay, so print is used to give an output, like we want to print hello, that's the output. So here's hello. Now print 23 plus 45. We can do mathematical sums also, or if we write this same code, print 23 plus 45 in inverted commas, we will get we will not get the output that we wanted, the answer for this equation, because we have written these in inverted commas. It can be single inverted commas and double inverted commas, but if we write a equation or a number in inverted commas, the same number will be printed as the output. Okay, now there are some comments in Python language. So Python comments, heading, okay, and then run. First way to comment is to write three inverted commas at the left and the right side. Then we can write anything over here like Python, and then we can write a simple code like print hello. The second way is to write hash, and then this is a comment, then print 2 plus 4 6. Okay, now how to do multiple comments, how to write multiple comments in Python. So multiple comments, heading, okay, and then run. Now to do multiple comments we will write hash, and then this this is a comment 1. I can give space. Now I'm just going to copy this, paste, this is a comment 2, then paste, this is a comment 3. Now we will write print and then hello. This is how we do write multiple comments with one code, like one print function. Only once we have used the print, we can use the print multiple times also with multiple comments like print 23 plus 78 and then print apple. So we have got the output as hello 101 and apple. Okay, so today we have learned about the print function, uh, Python comments, and how to write multiple comments. Thank you. Let me get new topics for you.